This is a second link for today. See if it's working. It works. That's great. Okay, so officially introduction to your project 2 visualization project. Your task is to tell a story. Yeah, tell a story guys with data. That's exactly what you said. Requirements. Okay, so here are the requirements. The second project you will need tell a story through data visualization. So this focus should be more on showing the visualization of data. This is not number crunching. This is not like just doing the relationships between different entities, but this should more focus on using the interactive means to explore data within itself. So we learned Plotly, we have learned D3, we have learned Leaflet, making use of it, making sure that it looks good. You will be asked to conduct a 10-minute presentation that will lay out your theme, coding approach, data munging techniques, and final visualization. Okay. So you will have to do a 10-minute presentation. You may choose project of any theme, but you should think broadly. At the end of this presentation, I'm going to give you 5, 6 options that should be enough for this entire class to consume. One thing I'm going to change this time is I will allow 2 teams to pick the same topic. So I'll see how 2 teams can think differently and can maybe do things same topic but different things. So a little bit of competition, but we may not be able to experience it evenly. So and I actually want people to pick. I have some topics. If you like, you pick it, and I'll tell you what's in it for you once we do it. And so next, we'll have a lot of time to work with your group, but I would highly encourage to work outside of the class. This is kind of getting close to doing things in a better way. That's why I'm kind of introducing the project early, so you have 2 weeks or even more maybe to use. We'll see how the presentations will line up, and if I can have some guest judges or something, if I can make it fun to come and look at the presentation. So March 3rd, let's say March 3rd. How far is March 3rd right now?
It's 2 weeks and
2
3
weeks.
days.
2 weeks and 3 days, right? So you have 2 weeks and 3 days.
March 3rd is a Sunday.
March 3rd is Sunday. Oh, 2018. Sorry, 2019. Whatever, that weekend.
So March 4th is Monday.
March 4th is Saturday. March 2nd, 2019. I see how software tried to put another day in there. So 2 weeks and 2 days. Okay, you have 2 weeks. Yeah. So
this Monday is President's Day. So the science.
yeah, this Monday is a President's Day, so you won't have class. You get 2, and I'm not going to extend that. It's 2 weeks and 2 days to finish it. You'll have time to complete. But I'm going to also do teaching, so remember that. Okay, now specific requirements, right? Flask, I really want you guys to get used to. You can use Heroku or any other cool stuff for those things to beat your team, other team, or stand up. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, at least one of the databases. Okay, MongoDB is a free instance you could use. You're gonna spend like $5-10 to just try your stuff with the paid version free. I mean, I think that investment worth. It should have some creative D3 non-standard graph or chart. I wouldn't say which one. Right? Combination of web scraping and Leaflet or Plotly, if your project requires that. Okay, web scraping again, not necessarily dashboard page with multiple charts, all updating from the same data. I'm going to be a little relaxed about this, but I want some of these pieces in there. Right? Okay, Well, at least 100 records. I mean, that's minimum. If you're not gonna, but it should make sense, right? And so your project must include, and why I say 100 is because you may do a project with open data, like city like stuff. That doesn't mean those 100 points are like just like, static points. Right? You can't just get 100 records and throw it in. Some user-driven interactions, something happens, menus, drop downs, text boxes, something it should move. And it should at least have final visualization, should at least have 3 views. You can go up to 5, 50, whatever you want.
Is PowerPoint available?
I'll send it. I'll send it right away. Today, between now and Saturday, we'll have to finalize your topic with your key and research potential data sets. Your focus should be specifically centered around selecting a topic, finding a data set, finding inspiration, sketching your ideal visualizations, and then creating a one-page proposal. So Saturday, I'll ask you to present your proposals as a team. Beginning, and that is formal, like how we did it with the first project. We had formal people coming here and giving you a one-page, telling a story what you will do. Beginning of class on Saturday, we'll need that proposal, a brief articulation of chosen topic, etc. Sketch of final design, a link in the primary GitHub. Wednesday, Thursday, you will have project work. Monday is holiday, so.
Oh, okay.
Unless you guys want to meet, but this won't be open, but a coffee shop or wherever works for you guys. What's that?
I'm celebrating
Okay.
George Washington's birthday.
Yeah.
And Abraham Lincoln's birthday.
I have no idea.
Yeah. So it's their birthday, so why not?
Yeah, why not? Right. Okay. Celebrating President's Day. Okay. Chris just got downvoted on so many teams. Like, this guy doesn't know. Or maybe upvoted by saying, yes, I want to be on Chris's team. Anyways, project week is a great time to tab the loose ends, because you're going to work with people that have understood some concepts better than you did, or you understood some better than they did. And so it's a great way to share knowledge. And that's why at least one new team member is a requirement. But other than that, everything's good. The topics you would like to review, shoot me and T as a message. So if anything that you need around these topics, then yeah, good luck. Questions, discussions. But before that, I'm going to give you projects. So these are some of the projects. So Waze has this, Waze used to give you free APIs. Waze has stopped doing that. Waze now asks you to be a partner agency to give the APIs. Okay, API information. You can use UCSD extension as the organization. The link there will walk you through applying to this. And then once you have access to it, I will highly advise that you do it sooner. If it takes longer, then we'll scrap the project. But if you get this, then what I can do is I will talk to my former colleagues at City of Carlsbad. They're willing to give some sensitive traffic data. Of course, you guys will have to sign NDAs, and they will give you access to the data. And they are willing to put that data as a pilot project just to see if we can push that to Waze, or use some data from Waze and pull it and do something cool with it. Okay. So if you can figure out Waze API, I can get the traffic engineer for the City of Carlsbad and the traffic controller and all those people together. Maybe they're given the verbal approval to do this. So those people that get interested in it. So now two teams can work on it. So that means anywhere.
So you're giving the project ideas and we just need it.
It's up to you. If you think that you don't want to do this project, that's totally fine. If you think that, oh, this is not something that so this is one of the ideas. I don't know how many teams will pick it, but anywhere between whatever teams pick it, we'll probably do a field day. We'll go to City of Carlsbad if possible, look at talk to them. But we gotta first figure out the Waze API and load it in the MongoDB or something like that. Right? So get permission, we'll work on it. So that's project one idea, traffic data crunching, right? Other project. Second project idea that I have is map San Diego open data. So first of all, let me go there. So San Diego open data portal. So this is a San Diego open data portal. And it has like projects. So let me refresh. There's projects like this, right? So the road work's happening, what kind of road work is happening and stuff like that. So San Diego Chief Data Officer Maxim curates these data sets. He gets these, there are lots of data sets actually. Let me just go to the this way. Yeah. So here you have same as you have New York City data sets. You have your data set, like for example, permits issue, solar permits, right? So you have these CSVs. You have let's see, browse data. Does he have any APIs? Public safety, traffic collisions, all these CSVs. So there are some CSV files there. Try to find a JSON, maybe, that you could use, and then public works maybe has it. Let's see. Yeah, find a data set here, and then we can pick a data set here, map it, and publish it in such a way that's cool for the city. That is good to present to public, and if your code's cool, I'll try and get it published on that San Diego open data portal. Your code will be live and used by millions of people. The other one that I have is this is finding free. What's going on? Finding free parking spots in the city. So you're driving and like, you know, how Waze is, there could be a way to tag locations that are free open, and then you can like find a parking spot. So if you go to this URL, you could find an open parking spot. Also something that I know City of Carlsbad wants to implement, and so we might be able to get some more or improve one of your missed life around you. So anything that you have presented so far, the Yelp stuff or the data, anything that you did as a part of the project, if you want to improve that with what you learned, life around you, homes, Zillow scores that we saw, to any of the projects that you like, you want to go for, energy project that Nara had done, Yelp project that we saw, the recruitment stuff that we saw, any of that, if you want to improve that, then you can work on that as well. So those are the buckets. If you have a new idea that you want to work on, that's good. If you want to continue the idea that you start here as your final project, that also is good, which will then give you over 5 weeks to do your project. So plan the project. Okay. So choose strategically. I'll let you guys take a break, 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, come back at 8:30. I hope that you have groups figured out by then. If not, then I'm going to put your names in Excel and run a randomizer and get the group who we go out today. Okay, so 15 minutes, come back and let me know. Okay. Reach out to people online, Caroline and John and Johnny and I don't know, Marcus is in here. If you have